and welcome to the table of contents for Geometry A Does Not Stop for COVID 19. Um, First, I want you to notice that yes, anything that is blue is a link. So if you uh, click on any of these blue numbers, they will go to the page numbers. And if you go to that page, if you look at the bottom, there's always a return to the table of contents. Okay? So, biggest thing to notice with the table of contents is if you click on the page number, it will go to that chapter or section. And if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you can return back to the table of contents by selecting table of contents in the bottom left corner. All right, let's look at the table of contents. Uh, right there is the abstract, which we just went over. We have the table of contents. Chapter one is the introduction with the overview narrative and the technical structure of this project. Then we have chapter two, the context for learning, the background, in a sense, of the school and students that this project is based on. Chapter three is a facilitator's guide, just a little information how to guide you through all the lessons. And then your lessons are going to be uh, 9 lessons um, that equal to about an hour to 2 hours per class, depending on the lesson of actual classroom time. Chapter four is going to be about validity. So it's going to be like teacher feedback and professor feedbacks. And chapter five is the conclusion. Uh, then there's the appendix, sources that I used to build this project. And finally, lesson materials. Now, if you notice, it stops at page 32. And if you look up here, there is 101 pages. Instead of doing offsite links, I included links to the lesson materials. So there's just a bunch of stuff here, but you don't have to worry about that. Okay. And notice I'm using the blue buttons to navigate through this whole project. Okay. So treat it like a website if you like. And this is kind of your home page. All right. Um, Hopefully, this works out very well for you guys. Otherwise, treat it like a typical thesis and read it straight through. Enjoy, and hopefully, you have fun.